Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to clear caches from your Android phone. Okay, you can clear or delete your caches data from your Android phone. So I will show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's go on my mobile screen. So guys, here you can see this is my mobile screen, and in order to clear caches data, you can go to the setting. You have to go for setting and find the application. Here you can see application notification. I can see you have to click on it. Click it. Now in here you can see application. You can see, click on see all applications. So you will see all your installed application in this process, in this app section. And this is inbuilt application also, and outbound application which you install from Play Store. So caches is basically create when you use a particular website or application. So just find the application you use most. So there is a Snapchat, WhatsApp, YouTube, which normal general people use most. So just open the those application. So I just open the WhatsApp here and go to the storage and caches, and here you can clear caches. Okay, so you can clear caches all of application or most used applications. So now, so your mobile caches will be clear. Okay, so basically normally use Chrome browser, WhatsApp, Facebook. You can clear caches from this application and your phone caches will be clear. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.